Take this cover off. You can use a trim tool or a pick. Just get behind here. It's easier to get in there with a pick to start. And then there is a little tab in there. Oops. That should pop off. Just like that. That's where the clip is. There's a couple clips. Just pop. Now take this trim piece off right here. Just get underneath here with a pick or a trim tool. Just pop it up. Just pops up like that. And you can disconnect the connector right here. You can use a pick or just try to push it down on the connector and just slide it right off. Take this cover off right here. Just get underneath here with the trim tools. And it just pops right up. Just like that. It's just clipped in. There should be 3 screws. One's missing on this vehicle, but there's one there, and also one there. Use a 10mm socket and take those all off. Take a trim tool and go along the perimeter of the door panel. Just pop it off. Sometimes it's easiest to start underneath. There's just push pins holding it in. Those are all popped off. Pop it out, and then just slide the panel up and out. Take this bolt out right here. Use a 10mm socket. Now we want to slide it towards the outside of the vehicle and then pull out. Now flip it around. You can pop these cables off. Pop this cable out, just pulling it, and then it will slide up just like that. And then same with the bottom one. Slide this out, and then there's a little ball on the end of the cable. Slide that up. Now take the handle, slide the ball end in right here. And then slide the cable down there, lock it in place, and then same with the top one. This part is going to go in that hole right there. And slide down, and then slide the cable in place. Now you can take it, slide it into the door, and then slide towards the vehicle, just like that. Take the screw, get that started. And snug it down. Take the door panel, make sure you slide the wiring harness through there. And you want to get it started up top first, near the window. Slide it down. When it's all lined up, then you can just push it in. Now put the screws in. And tighten them down. Put this panel on. Lock it down. Now plug the connector in. And line it up. Lock it in place. Now take this cover, line it up. and lock it down.